Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Audi Q3 SUV 2-liter TDI S line Plus S Tronic Quattro, a stylish and versatile compact SUV with premium features. From the side, its sleek body lines are complemented by 19-inch alloy wheels, aluminum roof rails, and power-folding mirrors for added convenience. At the rear, the Q3 boasts LED tail lights, a power-operated tailgate, and rear parking sensors, ensuring a practical and modern design. Powered by a 2-liter TDI diesel engine, this Q3 delivers a smooth and efficient drive. The S Tronic automatic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive system provide confidence and control in all conditions. At the front, the Q3 features Audi's signature single-frame grille, all-weather LED headlights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it a bold road presence. Step inside to enjoy a half-leather cloth interior, with heated front seats and a multi-function S-line steering wheel. The cabin includes a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and Audi parking system with a reverse camera. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom and premium materials, ensuring a comfortable ride. The spacious boot offers excellent storage capacity with a power-operated tailgate for easy access. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration EF16VYH to book a test drive or request a video tour.